Welcome to iProtocol Quick Tips. In this video, you will learn how to open the Board Reviewer checklist. The Board Reviewer checklist includes all of the checklist items required by board members to complete. In the Admin General page, you can access the checklist items throughout the protocol, or you can click on the Board Reviewer checklist to open it in a separate tab. In this view, you can check any or all of the checklist items. Make sure to select the Reviewer Save button at the bottom of the page to save your progress. If you don't select this button, your progress will not be saved. The green OK text indicates that the checkboxes are now saved. You can close this tab and return to the Admin General page. In order to see the links you marked in the Board Reviewer checklist, you will need to refresh the Admin General page. For more quick tips, visit the Education and City Training section of our website at research.virginia.edu/IRB-SBS.